Welcome to GS Technologies. A transport management system, TMS, is a business software web application that automates the transport management operation. Here we are going to discuss about order management. To create an order, click plus button, enter the mandatory fields, such as warehouse, order date time, and shipper account. Click Save button to save the order details. Expand the order to add or manage order details. Click the plus button in subgrid to add order detail. Fill the mandatory fields and other details like material type, package information, and consignee, etc. Click Save button. Now order detail for the selected shipper account is created. Similarly, we can add more number of order details. Now let us see how to manage billing and payment information. Click the Send to Accounting button in the selected order to send it billing. Now the order will be ready for billing. Let us move to accounting screen. In this screen we can manage invoice, billing and payment information. You can filter to search with the billing date, range and status. By expanding, you can view the overall billing details and payment records for individual order details. We can edit the bill details in subgrid to view or manage the bill information. In payment history group we can add new payment or view the old payments. We can also download separate or consolidated invoices from the billing. Invoice contains invoice number and order details of the particular bill selected. Now let us move back to order screen. Select Create Load tab from order screen. Here we can see the order details for the selected date range. Click the Assign to Load button on the top right. Select Pick Date and choose the option Create Load directly and click Assign Load button. Now the details are assigned to the new load. Check the created load in the dispatch screen. Warehouse as origin, with load is created. Expand the load to view its stops. Now let us move back to order screen and look at the other options. Likewise, you can assign multiple order details to the existing load. Select Add to Existing Load option in the load number from the drop-down list. Now the details are added to the selected load. Now let us see the load in dispatch screen. Expand the load. The selected consignee of order details are assigned as intermediate stops to the selected load. We have one more option, create a load and approve from floor plan. Let us discuss about it. This feature allows us to manage the created load from floor plan, i.e. warehouse. Now the load will be assigned to floor plan. Now let us move to floor plan screen. Floor plan screen is the pictorial representation of the warehouse. Select your warehouse. Here, we have already designed WMDR master warehouse. We shall take it for example. The grid view option enables the cells at background to be visible for the users, which will be useful in design mode. Design mode option helps to create or edit their custom design in the layout. User can create a new layout with their custom naming or can use the existing layout. Now let us see design mode option. The Create Design option helps to create your own design simply by drawing. We can select required shape. Click on Save button to save your design. Move and Resize option. You can resize the shapes or move to any other position in the layout. By double-clicking on the shapes, we can edit design of the selected shape. This helps the user to assign the design type like door, equipment, space, etc. It allows user to map equipment, space to the particular door and block. It allows user to map equipment, space to the particular door and block. We can also assign customer to the spaces, which will be helpful in placement of packages in spaces of warehouse. Let us take WMDR master layout for example. Double-clicking the space will bring space and its customer for its door. The load that is generated in order screen now, it is assigned to the door of WMDR warehouse. On double-clicking the door, in the pop-up screen you can see the load with status of in creation in the drop-down. Select the load, equipment type, equipment number and click on Add button to add it to the door plan of selected door. Equipment Load Plan tab. User can view the current load plan of the selected equipment. Now let us see how the load and equipment are assigned to the door. Floor space. Click the equipment. The space customer and stop customer associated to the selected equipment and load will be highlighted. If they are in correct space, it will be indicated in green color. If the space customer is not assigned to the stop customer, then it will be indicated in red color. The stop customer and space customers are not in correct space, then it will be indicated in orange color. Double-clicking the floor space will bring the customer details for the selected door spaces. Customer spaces can be swapped within the grid block using drag and drop. Move customer will overwrite the customer from the floor space. Drag and drop of customer will affect only after hitting Save button. Make sure the stop customer and space customer are in correct space. To finalize the load, open door plan and click on Finalize button. Once finalized from the door, the equipment is assigned to the load and moves to the dispatch screen. Next, come into dispatch module. Let's see the created load and stops from the orders. Load status is unassigned. You may also directly create from the dispatch module too. So far we have discussed about orders, billing, and load creation. In the next part we will discuss about dispatch module and load processing with mobile application.